Yeehaw! Saddle up, cowboys! You're in for a wild recipe. Hi everyone, I'm Karen Ahmed. Welcome back to my channel. Today we've been invited to a cowboy party. My friend is turning 50 years old and he's invited us all to his wonderful cowboy themed party. To celebrate the occasion, I decided to bring this incredible buffalo chicken dip. This recipe is made by grilling some buffalo chicken and tossing it together with cream cheese, sour cream, ranch dressing, spring onions, bacon, more cheese. There's so many ingredients in this very, very delicious recipe. This is going to be served together with some chips or crisps and everyone's going to love it. Before I go any further and show you how to make this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let me show you how I made this. I'm going to start with 1 pound of boneless chicken thigh meat, and to this I'm going to add a half cup of buffalo sauce. A quarter cup of Frank's Red Hot sauce or any other hot sauce, but adjust the amount based on the spice level. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic and 2 tablespoons of minced fresh jalapeno. Add salt and pepper to taste and give this a good mix to coat the chicken. Many recipes just use plain old boiled chicken cubes, but not this dip. I'm going to infuse maximum flavor into the chicken. I prefer to use chicken thigh meat, but you can also add breast meat as well. Typically, I like to leave this overnight in the fridge if I have time, but if not, 1 or 2 hours will work too. Once ready, get this onto your hot grill. Since my barbecue is hot, I'm also going to grill some jalapeno slices so I can use these as a garnish later. Once the chicken is grilled, remove this and keep it aside to cool. Once they're cool, chop these into smaller pieces. In a bowl, I have 250 grams of cream cheese and I just heated this up in the microwave for about 10 to 20 seconds. I'm also going to add 1 cup of sour cream. I'm going to mix this in and add half cup of ranch dressing. A half cup of buffalo sauce. 1 to 2 tablespoons of Frank Red Hot sauce or any other hot sauce, but do adjust the amount based on the spice level of the sauce. I'm also going to add salt and pepper to taste and mix it in. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sliced spring onions, 1 tablespoon of minced jalapeno, a half cup of cooked bacon bits, and a half cup of cheese. Add more than half of the chicken and reserve the rest for the topping. Mix this in well. In my oven-proof dish, I'm going to spoon in the dip and I'm going to spread it. I'm going to top this with a 1/4 cup of sliced spring onions, a 1/4 cup of cooked bacon bits, 1 teaspoon of minced jalapeno, 1 teaspoon of buffalo sauce, a splash of hot sauce, pepper to taste, and remember these slices of jalapeno that I grilled earlier. I'm going to add these in as well. I'm going to follow this with the rest of the chicken and a 1/4 cup of grated cheese. This is ready for a 350-degree oven, and I'm going to cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes. While this cooks, I'm going to work on a cute little cactus centerpiece. Using a jalapeno, I'm going to prick it all over like a cactus with the grains of basmati rice. This is looking super cute. The dip is now out of the oven and has cooled down a little bit, and I'm going to gently make a well in the center, and I'm going to add the jalapeno. I cut the bottom of the jalapeno off just to make it easier to stand. Grab some crackers, crisps or tortilla chips and tuck in. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for buffalo chicken dip. I'm going to be taking it right now to the party, and I'm really looking forward to having a great time. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. Do share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.